Hi, everyone. My name is Mike Goldweber, and I'm the creator of Vanessas Concierge. It's an application designed to make my wife's life easier by addressing pain points she has in being a independent provider for special needs adults. Basically, her pain points are staying organized and dealing with daily reporting of expenses, journal entries, billing, and just her to-dos and calendar items. So I'd like to start off by showing off the application. Then we'll discuss the tools used to build the app, and then finally the architecture. The first thing is the app is deployed to this URL here, and this will be in the write-up as well as the GitHub README. But security is a major item, and we don't want Vanessa's clients' information exposed to the public. So for judging purposes and demo purposes, you'll use mock data, and that's what this is about here. I would encourage anybody looking at this app to enter in a Gemini API key so they can use the AI assistant, which is at the bottom of each screen. We connect with Google Calendar and Google Tasks using Google OAuth. And then finally, down here for connecting to the app is hosted in Firebase. And within Firebase, we use the Firestore database to save all of the data that is either shown here or is saved. I'm logged in, so I'm going to demonstrate the application from my login. You can see we have some to-dos and reminders. We have daily routines, and then we have a calendar. And the idea is to just pull all of this data together. Sometimes Vanessa likes to know what's upcoming, so some of our calendar events are shown here. I want to demonstrate the MCP feature by doing a side-by-side with the calendar and the to-do list. You'll notice we only have one item listed here. So what we're going to show off is adding an event with the AI. Please add a calendar event. I'd like to have dinner with Mike at 6 p.m. through 7 p.m. tonight. And then we should see it over here. You can see it was just added, and you can also see it was added over here on the right. Let's show off the to-do items. So we have walk the dogs, clean the litter box. Let's see here. We've cleaned the litter box, so let's go ahead and just mark that as complete. And then you can see that was quickly checked and removed. Please add a to-do item, and the to-do item is to take out the trash. And then we should see that added to both the list. Here's take out the trash there, and there's take out the trash there. So so you can see the MCP feature is at play. Some other features of the application include journal entries. We can also generate expenses. All of this can be done with the AI itself. Reports can be compiled, and then expenses can also be added with the AI itself, although there is a manual entry for that. Let me quickly talk about the tools. The major design tool used for this application is Google Stitch, and you can see some of our preliminary drawings. But the development itself was done with anti-gravity, and the architecture is primarily done with the HTML stack, and that's for ease of deployment, ease of building, and just to make it accessible via the web. Just about out of time, so I'd like to thank everybody for their time and attention. I want to thank Google for developing this class and Kaggle for hosting the contest and the class. I really appreciate everyone's help. Thank you so much.